biatch.
How? That light's so bright. How? I'm rolling my window up now. How? Can you see me? He's putting it on me. Putting it on me like a nigga. How? I'm shit-faced.
Shit-face?
I'm shit in my face. Two girls wait.
Ah!
I won't eat shit though.
Good.
What time is it?
12:27. It's early.
It's early. It's fucking like daytime.
It is.
What's that? That's my cord.
Usually, like, this time when I go to work, this is my lunch time.
Anti-diarrhea.
That's what plugs your butt up.
I
Like,
need this to put in my butt so I don't fucking shit.
after you swallow it like a pill, you eat 2 of them,
And you don't fucking shit.
and it acts like a butt plug
So for how many days?
for like a day.
So
Or at least like 6 or 7 hours. But you won't shit for nothing.
remix. Uh-oh.
Opa!
Cute face.
Chubby waist, 6 legs, indie shape. Make you do a
Double take. Uh-oh.
Supper.